Hi friends, FirearmPop here, and today I have another drill for you today, and it's practice, practice, practice. And I saw this in the magazine, thought it was ideal. And anyway, it's called the failure drill. And one of the interesting comments here says, most people who have been exposed to defensive shooting techniques have heard the little slogan, 2 to the body, 1 to the head, is guaranteed to leave them dead. Once again, I'll repeat it. 2 to the body, 1 to the head is guaranteed to leave them dead. Now, I mean, the article goes on to say this was in the Mozambique, war and for independence, and that's where this technique was developed. And the purpose of it is this. If you try to go for a headshot right away, the head's probably moving the most and it's the smallest target. So you don't want to hit that or aim for that immediately. You want to put 2 to the body as quickly as possible, reassess the threat, and fire 1 to the head if necessary. Now, most of the times, 2 to the body should stop them. If it doesn't, it will at least slow them down enough so you can get a clean headshot. And that is guaranteed to leave them dead. So, haven't done this before. We're going to go right on video doing it. So I'm learning as I go. I've never tried it. Need some muscle memory, which I'll probably try first, and go from there. So, stay tuned. By the way, today I'm using my Walther PPS. It's a 9mm. I like this gun a lot. I've done a full review on this gun. You can search that, and or I'll put a link to it down below. But there is a review on the Walther PPS 9mm. I like it. It's PPS is Police Pistol Slim, and I've used it concealed carry, and I can interchange this one with my J-frame Snubby. It's almost as comfortable, just a little bit bigger, and of course it's got a bigger capacity for rounds. This holds 8 in the magazine and 1 in the chamber for a total of 9, where my Snubby's only got 5. Okay, so that's what we're using today. And once again, using my Remora holster. Now this happens to be the same size holster that fits my J-frame, fits this weapon as well, and does a great job. So let's go from there. Time to get serious. Funny, I was low on both my body shots and the headshot hit, so we're going to try that again. Again, it's 2 shots to the body, reassess the threat, 1 to the head, if necessary. Okay, friends, we switch now to the Snubby, Smith & Wesson 360, chambered in 357, but I'm only shooting 38 specials today, a lot cheaper. But this is my everyday carry, as well as I carry that PPS, and you need to be proficient in both if that's what you carry. Again, target shooting is nice, but if you're going to conceal carry, you need to practice from a concealed position and firing being on target. So I got a number of speed loaders ready to go, so we're just going to go through these set of speed loaders and call it a day. Hang in there. Remember that the Snubby only has 5 rounds. There you have it. That sucker's hot. I proved a couple of things today. That my modification on the being able to get the speed loader in works fine. As you can tell, that one of the things I had a problem with ejecting rounds was severe before. It's getting a lot better, and that is my gunsmith did tell me that as the gun wears a little bit, they will fall out easier, and that happens to be the case. So we're just going to keep firing the gun, wear it in, and I'm real happy with it. It's an M&P, Smith & Wesson M&P 360. Just how much damage that I do. You can see the body shots are twice as much as the headshots. But anyway, that was my target. Well, once again, you can friend me on Facebook at FirearmPop. You can find me on the web at FirearmPop.com. And as always, this is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.